It's a really gassy drink. Don't spew. Oh, if you're gonna be sick, I'm gonna be sick, dude.
Into like a diamond shape now. I still can't dress anyway. Absolute tanky team. But yeah, so that is now. Well, other than that, guys, I have been ThePrenti. I'll see you all soon.
I've been Jeff. Miss.
Now your piece.
Put another one down for you. Here.
See, this can count for the next nomination you didn't do.
Still got it.
You've still got 2 shots left.
Hold it in. Until.
That was disgusting.
You gotta hold.
It's disgusting.
Fuck off.
Was it worth it? Was it worth it? Nah, I'm not gonna do it. You might have to do it, or otherwise I won't.
Okay.
Look how he's crumbling. Look at his eyes. Look at it. Oh. He's crumbling. How'd it taste?
Shit.
Fuck you. Last one by myself. Cheers.
Oh my god. I need to get a taste of it.
I've been ThePrenti. That's been Jed.
That's pretty cute.
33.14 seconds.
Oh, you threw the plate away. Oh, that was all down my arm. Got him in the back.
Oh, fuck's sake.
So,
Oh my fuck. Fuck!
I can't believe I got no drink on drink oil there. That's pretty cool. Oh. Thumbs up.
Look! That's 3 times, twice in a row. 13.
I've done it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's doable. Well, I mean, that's just twice as what you've
That's
done.
24 shots though.
You missed The Queen saved. Smash it up.
Yep, here you go. Oh wait. What have we not done?
What?
Okay, right, on you go.
Hang on. Oh god. No. Oh, you need to save her.
Oh.
Money.
And we're done.
Okay.
There you go.
Yeah, go for it. God, I feel sick already.
I've got fucking...
Fucker.
What's your challenge?